My talk is about the cleaning of antibiotics-contaminated environment using waste. But before I start, I would like to ask if you have an expired antibiotics, where and how you think you can dispose it of. One of the options is that you can easily flush it in the toilet, thinking that the wastewater treatment plants at the end are able to eliminate these antibiotics. But the surprise here is that the wastewater treatment plants do not have the ability to eliminate all these antibiotics. And a fraction of these antibiotics will enter the environment. Another source for antibiotics contamination is that these antibiotics is used as animals' growth promoters and for the treatment of human infection by a kind of bacteria. Only 30% of these antibiotics are absorbed by human or animal bodies, and the rest will enter to the environment. The presence of antibiotics in the environment means its presence in the food chain, and finally it will accumulate in tiny concentration in human bodies. This will develop an antibiotics-resistant gene, which will reduce the effectiveness of any antibiotics will taken in the future. On the other hand, reports from the industry reveal that 100,000 of waste is thrown into the environment, and here is my PhD. Extracting elements from the waste which have the ability to attract the antibiotics and place it on a surface of a cheap and available material, such as the raw sand, converted it from inert dead material to reactive one. After a re-engineering process, the interaction of antibiotics with both the sand and raw sand revealed that over 90% of antibiotics were removed by my sand, while only 0.5% have been removed by the raw sand. Placing this synthesized sand in a reactive wall underground converted or treated the contaminated underground water and changed it to a usable water. As a conclusion, my PhD used available cheap material to save the health, save the money, and save the environment. Thank you.